This is Rad TV coming at ya. Here we go. So we're getting pretty rad today. Me and Joey here. Cuzzo. Up in Harriman, we're gonna hit some kayak action. Right, Joe?
Yeah, upstate New York vibes.
Water vibes. Upstate New York vibes.
The lake back here is called Little Froggy Point Lake, something like that.
Froggy Pond.
We T and Eric camped over there.
Pretty rad.
Yeah.
Talk about rad.
Every morning, every morning, every morning, every morning, every morning, every morning, every
I'm gonna grab it. Put it down, dude.
Gotta watch out.
Put it down, Joe.
Stay with the card.
Oh my God. Joey, give me a thumbs up. Well, got the kayaks off the roof. Joe here seems to have forgotten the paddles, so we got Senior coming to bring them by. So
I
we're
didn't
just
forget them. I just grabbed the wrong piece.
forgot them.
Mine are here.
I don't have. You were supposed to provide for me and you didn't. So your fault. But Senior's gonna pick us up. He's gonna bring us by a new set, and we'll be going soon. Hammer. Senior.
Yo, what's up?
Thanks.
You got both of them you need?
No, only one.
Alright.
I grabbed mine. I grabbed two of the wrong ones. I forgot this. Senior made the drop. Thanks. Joe. Joe.
Next time we could bring our fishing poles on.
Joey, where you at? Daddy.
Okay.
Where to, Captain?
That way. Out on the kayak. About time. It only took you like 6 months.
I've been doing other shit. I've been being rad.
Rad TV, bro.
Rad TV. Rad TV. Joe. Outer.
Nah, I'm good.
I'll send you a Zelle right now. $500.
Why? What's wrong with the paddleboard?
It's so hard. You need the double.
It's 1,000.
The paddleboard.
Yeah, that's rough. Say hi.
What's going on?
Say hi, you. Rad TV.
Love it, love it.
If that's it, Joe.
People would rent this. This would be like a clean beach back in the day.
Now it's crawling with tourists. Wow, that's rad. I've never seen any of that. They're all just closed up.
There go in them, but there's not much in them.
Oh yeah, give me that. That's beach activity right there.
Yeah, just keep it low.
The beat plug. The beat plug.
Oh.
So what ballpark has McCovey Cove? That's the Padres.
The beat plug. The beat plug. The beat plug. The beat plug.
So we're really out here today. Just chill vibes, water vibes. Host a little camp. I didn't even give a shit. Get the hammock out. Couple cools, Joey's little seat. Looks good to me. Like I said, we are out here. Water vibes. So we're lucky to get me and Joey with our shirts off today. Right, Joe?
What?
I said they're lucky to get both of us with our shirts off today.
I know, right? Cheers.
Look at how fucking white I am compared to this kid.
That Puerto Rican skin I got, bro.
But anyway, we're probably gonna head back in a little bit. Probably rip my sandwich. Go figure. But probably not, honestly. Wait, roll a little J. Hope you enjoyed. It's been rad. Probably get a little outro at the car, but just spitballing here. Check out the view. Silence. That's what I like. I'm gonna go do a sweep.
You got this? I bring this in the water.
Throw it in. Oh, oh.
Want to jump in one last time before we go?
No, I'm good.
Strong when it sweats, bro. Sport, you should want some more. Dude, I think you should put some on.
I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Hey, guy.
My
I
guy.
think you should put some on.
Joe, I'm good. I got you on camera telling me you put sunscreen on, so.
You haven't worn it all day.
Yes, I did. I put it on in the back of the car.
Alright, you good?
Yeah, you gonna put me in?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Alright guys, here we go. This is Rad TV. Here we go. Here we go. It's about 10 feet. Better?
One more. Whenever you're ready, Chief. Do it. It'd be rad. That was Rad TV, Joe. You hurting?
No, I'm good.
So we just finished up. Rad day on the water. Got some good footy. Super chill, mega chill. I'm gonna get this edited and posted up for you probably tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for more. Probably gonna be doing some jet skiing soon, some wakeboarding, some of that action. And I hear me and Shane are slaughtering chickens. So keep an eye out for the GoPro POVs on those. Thanks for watching. What'd you say?
Rad TV.
It's actually fun, he says, slaughtering chickens. But you'll see that next video. Thanks for watching.
This is Rad TV.